Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. It's the battle of the dash cams. On the left, we have the Vantrue N4 Pro, and on the right, we have the FOCUWAY D2 Duo. Get ready for some epic showdowns, controversial opinions, and plenty of laughs. Let's dive right in. When it comes to video quality, both of these dash cams pack a punch. The Vantrue N4 Pro boasts a Sony Star VIS-2 True 4K 3-channel dash cam, capturing every detail in cinematic smooth 4K resolution. Meanwhile, the FOCUWAY D2 Duo offers 4K Ultra HD resolution dual lens recording, ensuring you don't miss a single vital detail on the road. Connectivity is crucial when it comes to dash cams, especially if you want to easily access and share your recordings. The Vantrue N4 Pro offers OTA firmware update and faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing you to upgrade performance and share your travel moments on social media. It also has built-in GPS for viewing your driving route. Nighttime driving can be tricky, which is why having excellent night vision is crucial for a dash cam. The Vantrue N4 Pro boasts 4K HDR Sony Star VIS-2 Super Night Vision, ensuring clear and detailed footage even in low-light conditions. Now let's talk about parking mode. Both of these dash cams offer 24/7 protection for your vehicle. The Vantrue N4 Pro comes with 4 parking modes, including buffered motion detection and collision detection. It ensures that you have a complete recording of any incidents that may occur while your car is parked. Last but not least, let's check out the additional features. The Vantrue N4 Pro offers hands-free voice control with 12 voice commands, making it easy to operate without taking your hands off the steering wheel. It also has optional anti-glare CPL and is easy to install with its strong magnetic mount. In this epic battle of dash cams, the FOCUWAY D2 Duo has emerged as the winner. With its superior video quality, connectivity, night vision, parking mode, and additional features, it's a force to be reckoned with. And that's a wrap, folks. In this epic battle of dash cams, the FOCUWAY D2 Duo has emerged as the winner. With its superior video quality, connectivity, night vision, parking mode, and additional features, it's a force to be reckoned with. But hey, don't just take our word for it. Do your research, read customer reviews, and make the best decision for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart buying tips. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.